Halo Ultima Friends, balik lagi nih sama gue MD. Dan sekarang gue lagi pengen mainin sebuah game namanya A Space for the Unbound. Game dari Bojiken Studio dan dipublish oleh Toge Production. Dan kita tahu sendiri Toge Production kan curation of gamenya bagus-bagus ya. Dan ini salah satunya A Space for the Unbound. Ini bisa dilihat sendiri ya, grafiknya lebih ke pixel-pixel gitu ya. Tapi walaupun grafiknya pixel ya, bisa dibilang masih bagus juga karena masih ada sense of artnya. Karena warnanya bagus, terus bisa dilihat sendiri kayak moody-moody gitu kan. Jadi bagus banget menurut gua. Dan audionya juga bagus karena audionya selain audio atmosphericnya gitu ya, selain ambience-nya, itu juga lagu-lagu yang dimainin di game itu emang bagus-bagus gitulah pokoknya. Nah makanya itu menurut gue ini salah satu game yang Ultima Friends harus tunggu-tunggu sih. Tapi sekarang di Steam itu baru keluar prolog sama demonya ya. Dan ini yang gue mainin sekarang itu prolognya gitu ya. Ini yang gue mainin sekarang itu prolognya. Tapi tentu saja masih ada demonya kalau misalnya Ultima Friends pengen mainin. Jadi kalau misalnya Ultima Friends pengen penasaran nih ini gamenya kayak gimana sih, boleh banget langsung ke Steam, terus download ini prolognya. Dan I guess langsung aja kali ya. Ya langsung aja nih. It was a cold night. The South Star Princess was weak and the cat was worried. Ini bisa dilihat sendiri kayak dari writingnya juga bagus. Ini by the way ini gue mainin pakai bahasa Inggris nih gara-gara gue lebih sering main pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Dan menurut gue kayak A Space for the Unbound itu kalau misalnya pakai bahasa Indonesia udah banyak banget youtuber lain yang udah mainin pakai bahasa Indonesia. Jadi gue pengen melihat gitu loh bahasa Inggrisnya gimana sih gitu loh. The princess looked up to the night sky and thought, it's time to say goodbye, to leave the world behind. Oh no, ini oke. Dan ini bisa denger sendiri, audionya bagus ya menurut gue ya. Kayak moody banget gitu, pas banget sama scene-nya. I have something for you, my dearest friend, a parting gift. I'll show you my last miracle. Something was shining bright on the palm of her hand. It was a miracle. The cat was stunned in awe, but it cried too. Oh meow princess, please no do that. I no want to let Nya go. Ini pakai bahasa. Ini jadi cerita bahasa kucing ya. The cat meowed. The princess just smiled and stared into the cat's teary eyes. Everyone else just wanted to my miracles, but you are the only one who stayed afterwards. Writingnya bagus loh untuk kayak biasanya, soalnya kalau misalnya game-game Indonesia ya atau game-game yang bukan dari negara yang berbahasa Inggris tuh biasanya kalau misalnya ditranslate ke bahasa Inggris tuh rada ngaco biasanya ya. Tapi ini menurut gue bagus loh. Kayak selain emang bagus ya, grammarly gitu kan, secara grammar emang bagus. Ini juga kayak dari writingnya juga bagus gitu loh. Menurut gue keren sih. It was bright and warm. The glowing South Star Princess turned into stardust and was scattered to the sky above. But her light stayed within this pretty yellow flower. Left behind and alone, the cat hugs the flower to itself. Oh, princess, the world doesn't deserve you. I know. So. Oh, ini jadi kayak cerita penulis gitu ya. Ini jadi kayak lagi bikin cerita lah bisa dibilang. Your story was so touching. I cannot wait to listen to the rest of it. The world, the adventure, the characters, I love them all. But the princess, I love her the most. Of you. I'm glad you liked it. Oh ya, ini by the way ini kan bisa dilihat sendiri kayak ini kebanyakan dari dialog-dialog gitu ya. Soalnya ini bisa dibilang lebih ke visual novel sih sebenarnya ya. Jadi visual novel game gitu. Jadi lebih story oriented, lebih fokus ke narasinya gitu. Dan menurut gue ini keren sih. Not really confident about it all. At first I was going to make the princess turn into a comet when she passed away, but then she would have destroyed the planet and destroyed all the creatures that saw her miracles. But that would be a brutal way to end the story, so I decided to scrap that. Serem ya. That's too violent, doesn't fit you at all. By the way, where did you get the idea for the comet? Well, it was last night. I was really upset and worried. And I looked outside the window for inspiration and suddenly saw a beautiful comet flash across the sky. Oh jeez, I appreciate me. I was awake last night. But still, I cannot believe it ends like this. What a sad fate for the South Star Princess. Do you want to hear the final chapter? Final chapter? There's more of it? Yes, it will be more like an epilogue, but we can think of it as the final chapter. I wanted to tell a story about the cat's final adventure. The cat will The yellow flower they are about to weird. What's wrong? All of a sudden I cannot think of anything. My mind's gone blank. What's on the tip of my tongue? Why don't we try to get out and get some fresh air? It may help you clear your thought. Okay. Ini udah mulai main nih. Ini keren loh ya. Maksudnya kayak as you can see like ini emang grafiknya tuh even though pixelated masih bagus gitu loh. Dan menurut gue lebih bagus daripada game-game yang kalau misalnya grafiknya mau realistis tapi maksa gitu loh. Lebih bagus kayak gini menurut gue. Like you said, let's go outside and get some fresh air. Let's go. Ambal. How about now? Feeling any better? I don't know. What happened? Do you have a writer's block? I don't know. It feels like there's something dark and scary. It makes me too afraid to continue and find out what kind of story I want to tell. I think that's definitely a writer's block. Maybe it's time to use the magic red book. The magic red what? Orang kaget gitu. The magic red book. Have you forgotten about it? Oh ya, ini by the way kalau misalnya gue lagi ngebaca gini, kalau misalnya gue tiba-tiba nggak ngebaca gitu ya, kalau misalnya butuh pengen ngebaca lagi, di pause aja ya. The book which contains the spell to dive into our deepest heart and get rid of its turmoil. Oh, that red book. Yeah, we've used it now and again. Where's the book? I think I forgot where I put it. I'm sorry, I'm so careless. Hey, no worries, I'll help you look for the magic red book. Maybe I put it somewhere around here. Can you look for something red? Okay, I'm on it. Ini red nih. Gila. Double tap directional key to run. Okay. Oh ya, bisa lari nih. Bisa lari. Oh, okay. Gak bisa kesana jadinya. Ntar dimarahin sama si orang ini, siapa nggak tahu. Oh, ini. Found a red book. Oke, ini yaudah balik. The magic red book, you found it. Go on then, try to use the book. But I'm afraid of using it by myself. Are you? Can you help me, dear magical Mr. Croy Rider? Please. Gak bisa santai nih orang. Oh, calm down. I'll help. Just tell me how to use it. I don't remember. When you use it, you just have to open the book. See what? You'll see a dancing flower above someone's head. Dancing flower, huh? Yeah, believe me, that's the power of the magic red book. And then you just open the book. Is that it? No dancing, chanting required. Yes, it is. Hurry up and try. Just try it already. Right, we're doing this to get rid of whatever it is you're scared of. And to find the final chapter that I wanted to tell. Oh ya, langsung dive. Langsung diving kita. Jadi pohon pisang dia. Oh ini ya. Bisa kesini gak sih? Oh gak bisa, ada magic invisible wall. Ini dia nih orang nih. I'm scared. I'm just too scared to think about the final chapter, to look for it. I'm afraid to find out what lies beneath. What if it turns out bad? Everything will think I'm a weirdo. Just think, I've never finished anything before. The final chapter. Will I ever be able to finish it? Okay. Apa nih? Kunci. I wonder what doors it open. Yang nggak tahu deh. Mungkin ada satu pintu di sini, cuma satu doang sih. Jadi mungkin ini kali ya. Ya langsung aja ya. Nah. Ini keren banget loh konsepnya. Jadi dia dibully gitu cuy. Kasian ya. Bagi Ultima Friends yang lagi nonton, janganlah membuli, itu tidak baik ya. It was scared into the sky above, but her light stayed within this pretty little yellow flower. I had an idea, but it might be useful. Ini puitis banget loh writingnya. Kayak banyak orang yang ngebully dia gitu mungkin. Just paper idea. this story. I'm still afraid, but should I tell this story? Should I finish it? Yes, this could be it. Okay. Ini puitis banget loh. Inilah kenapa gue suka itu sama writingnya. I just realized how far we fall. Yeah, amazing, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It feels like I'm walking in outer space, kind of like an out-of-body experience. You know what? We should come up with a cool name for the one you used, Magic Red Book. I think Space Dive sounds cool. What do you think? Space Dive? That sounds cool and informative. Yeah, you're diving into the space of my heart, so Space Dive. Okay, that's cool. And does this Space Dive ritual actually help? Yes, I finally decided what the final capture will be. Oh wow, cool for real. Yes, it's the Big Blue Star. The Big Blue Star. Yes, the Big Blue Star. It called her. When the South Star Princess died, she wished to return there, to the place where she belongs. And the cat will be the one to escort her back. Exactly. Oh wow, that sounds like it will be an exciting adventure to draw and write. Mr. Co-writer inside is, as always, extremely helpful. Nah, don't mention it. You're the one who came up with the Star Princess story in the first place. Yeah, I had to. This is our story. We made it together, right? Well, if you say so, so then, hooray! Oh, seneng dia langsung ya. The final capture. Yeah, all we need to do is build a spaceship. Whoa, a spaceship? Yeah, the cat will escort the yellow flower to the Big Blue Star with the spaceship. And the good news is, I've already built the spaceship myself. Dia bikin kapal terbang weh. Anak Elon Musk kali. I've been working on it for the last 3 weeks, right after school. It was supposed to be a surprise for you, and of course I built it. In my super secret workshop across the river so you wouldn't find it. Crossing the river by yourself, that is so dangerous. Oh, don't worry about it. I've been back and forth loads of times. And look, I'm still here, aren't I? Okay. Something with magical power to propel it through space, and that thing is, of course, the Star Princess magic wand. And I left it at home. Well, that sucks. Should we go and pick it up? No, I can't there. My house is no good for now. My father hates. Hey, don't worry about it. The magic wand is in your room, right? I'll go get it. Baik nih orangnya. Is that really okay? I mean, you've done so much already, and if someone sees you, they might think you're breaking in. No worries, I'm stealthy like the cat, you know. I'm sorry for making you do this. Seriously, yeah, don't worry about it. I'll help as much as I can, but you have to promise me you won't cross the river by yourself. We started this together and we'll finish it together, okay? Yeah, you're right. I promise I'll be waiting for you. Do you remember where my bedroom is? My room is on the second floor, and the magic wand is somewhere on my table. And one more thing, if you get lost, my cat Bosku will always know where to go. Oh, to dia Bosku tuh ya. Copy that. Good luck. I'll be waiting for you to hear. You should wait for me at the base camp. It's quite dangerous to wander around here. I guess you're right, but the air is so nice and fresh here. It might give me some inspiration for the final chapter. Alright, just be quick, okay? Okay, one last thing. I'll be back before you know it. No, that's not it. I want to say something else. Thank you for everything. You're the best writer I've ever had. Aw, no need to be so melodramatic now. I'll be back soon. That's so cool. Ini sumpah gue suka banget sama audionya karena emang moody banget gitu loh, kayak atmospheric banget. Dan dari visualnya juga kayak it's amazing lah pokoknya. Gue suka banget. Ada kucing, bisa kita ini gak? Oh bisa dong. Ih lucu banget anjir. Lucu. Gue suka. Lagi deh. Nah ayo guys. Oh ya, by the way, ini sebenarnya kalau misal dilihat nih ya, ini kan tempatnya kayak rada Indonesia-ish gitu ya, bisa dibilang karena ini emang dari Indonesia cuy. Ini literally dari Indonesia, dan tempat ini di Surabaya kalau nggak salah. Coba kita masuk sini lagi ya. Ini tempatnya di Surabaya, asal dari CEO-nya Mojiken kalau nggak salah. Nah, dan tempat ini tuh bener-bener based on Surabaya itu. Jadi kayak tempat-tempat yang ada di sini tuh ada juga di dunia nyata gitu loh. Dan itu salah satu hal yang keren dari game ini nih. Ini kita jadi ngikutin bosku aja ya. Si bosku, si kucing sakti ini. Lo bisa ngomong ke sini ya? Oh nggak bisa, oke deh. Kucing ya. Keren kucingnya. Oh bajak cuy kucing. Yuk kita adil, jadi kita pet semuanya ya. Kita lu semuanya. Kita adil soalnya. Nah itu sih bosku cemburu gak sih kalau kita gituin? Langsung aja kali ya. Woi si abang, mana bang? Hey slow down dude, the traffic is bad enough as it is. Want me to hit your fancy car? Marah-marah mulu bang. Lapar kali dia. Butuh sneakers. It's hard to find a job nowadays. I don't know what I'd do if this old bridge got knocked down. Jadi Anda tuh siapa? Anda tak punya rumah kah? Homeless. Ya kita kesini. Cimol dong, ada tukang cimol. Comet cimol. Maybe I should change the name to something more attention grabbing. Boleh banget bang. Oh ngulang itu. Of that hot sauce. Just one, give me 2 spoons. I like it spicy. But that's too much ketchup. Nyebelin anjir. It looks like that still counts right? Enggak dong. Ulang nggak? Oh no, my parents told me to go to bed. But dude, you're such a mama's boy. But I don't mind doing what they say when it's not really important. Makes it easier to get what I want at other times. Nah itu namanya pinter tuh orang ya. Oh ngulang ini. Oke deh. Kepencet anjir. Gas lah. Yuk. The great corner of doom is torn up the sky. Siapa nih orang? Wondering soul, have you seen last night news? The comet of doom has finally come. Don't you want salvation, my dear child? Katanya. For only 1 million rupiah. Buset, mahal juga 1 juta. You can own this spirit-infused gemstone. Oh, dia jual batu akik dia. What, you don't believe me? How dare you? This gemstone was crafted by the famous Oracle Jayabaya. Oh, dipikir sama Jayabaya. Ini orang halu nih kayaknya nih. Gak jelas nih orang, coba ngomong lagi ya. Ya udah ya maaf deh. Kids these days are just the worst. Back in my day, we have to do whatever our parents told us to do. Okay. Marah-marah mulu nih si ibu. Anaknya pasti ngelayap. Apa nih? Sup dude, what do you think? Well, I'm sorry. This Keroncong beat, it's a mixtape I recorded myself. Idih mantap. So what do you think? Yeah, cool, totally awesome. Dude, I know right? Not everybody appreciates Keroncong, especially these days. This is an old music genre brought over by the colonials and then perfected by. Okay, it's soothing, you know, a perfect companion for people who looking to relax and escape the world for a while. Hey, you know what? You can take my demo tape. It's a gift. Gila, you don't have to, please, dude. Music fan, you know. Besides, I can always make another mixtape whenever I want to. Buset dah. Kuli punya mixtape cuy, kapan lagi? Gile, bentar lagi jadi DJ dia. DJ kampung. Apa nih? There's a sign on this letter. Okay. Pak RT nih. In today's news, another interstellar comet has been sighted flying over the city. It is the 3rd comet to be seen this week. Ketiga, gila. Neither the government nor the National Space Agency have released any official statements regarding these peculiar events. Huh. Looks like the world's gonna end soon, huh? Lucky me, I'm already married. Okay deh, what's this? Mystery report, a local woman was found unconscious after seeing the ghost of female student. The ghost sighting occurred at Loka High School, which is known to be a haunted site. Okay. Jadi ada hantu juga di sini ya. Weather forecast: heavy rain is expected across the city. Don't forget your umbrella and be prepared for the possibility of flash floods. Serem juga. Today's news: the Food Regulatory Agency encourages citizens to be aware of the street food containing dangerous ingredients. Dangerous ingredients mentioned are textile dyes, unclean rat meat, and corpse preservatives. Itu basically kayak apa ya, kayak bagian-bagian dari mayat gitu. Aduh, serem amat. Oh, ini mengulang. Oke, di si pasapam. Itu kan tadi yang cewek yang tadi yang di pohon itu. Lihat gak? Terus kalau kita kesini dia nengok kesini kayak itu kan, ya panda serem amat. Jangan-jangan itu hantunya yang tadi. Her house should be around this block. Panik dia. Somebody's here katanya. Hello Mrs. Dewi, are you going to the meeting soon? S2, why don't we work over there together? Of course. You're not bringing your daughter with you? No. Is there a problem? My daughter. Lately she's been afraid to go to school. Husband. Oh, ini bapak emaknya yang teman kita tadi ya. Well, things aren't going well with his boss. He's been a little stressed over the money we've had to borrow to get Nirmala to school. Oh, okay. Jadi teman kita yang tadi tuh namanya Nirmala, and he's taking it all out on Nirmala. Oke, diapain tuh si Nirmala? Today she locked herself in her room and refused to talk to us. God, I really don't know what to do. Oh my, I'm so sorry to hear that. Why has she been scared of going to school? I don't know yet. I want to talk to them about all this, but I really don't know what to say. Well, why don't we go to the meeting a little early and we can talk about this on the way? Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you. Don't worry, you can share your problems with me. That is what neighbors are for, right? Semoga tidak digosip ya. There go, now's my chance. Oh, jadi tadi emaknya si Nirmala cuy. This must be her house. Emaknya teman kita tadi, emaknya Nirmala. Dan ini rumahnya si Nirmala. Begitu. The gate is locked but her father is likely inside. It would be dangerous to sneak through the front door. Maybe it would be easier if I pretended I was here to visit her, but I cannot risk letting her father know that she sneaked out of the house. Besides, he would think I was a creepy high school student stalking an underage kid. This is all way too risky. But I have to get that magic wand for her. What should I do now? Miawa deh si bosku udah di atas aja cuy. How long have you been up there? Oh yeah, that window on the second floor must lead directly to her room. Oke, jadi kita harus ke atas gitu cuy. Supposed to reach the second floor. Tangga yang tadi gak sih? Pasti tangga yang tadi. Yakin gue. I might be able to reach the second floor if I could walk across this wall. Tapi sayangnya bukan Spider-Man ya. But the wall itself is too high for me to reach. If only there was something that I could climb or stand on. Okay. Oh, nggak bisa kesini. Yuk kita balik, ambil tangga yang tadi. Si bapak kenapa ini? Busy, yawn. I'm also busy. Oh, dia ngantuk cuy. Okay. Sumpah berasa Indonesia banget gak sih? Kayak Indonesia tapi pixelated gitu, keren banget. Hey kid, what are you doing with my letter? I'm just amazed by your letter, sir. Oh, this letter looks really strong and chrome, katanya. Have you been smoking something funny, kid? I hope you don't cause me any trouble, kid. Nobody touches my letter. And just that I'm already busy enough. I wish. Udah tidur aja sih pak, udahlah. Could definitely use that letter to get to the smallest room. Do I have anything else with me? Muncul yang tadi, Magic Red Book. Oh, jadi kita harus space dive ke dia. Space dive ke pikiran dia gitu. Kayak kita space dive. Dia berubah jadi pohon lagi cuy. Pohon pisang lagi. Kenapa pohon pisang? Gue bingung deh. Tuh sumpah ini keren banget. Gue I don't know man. Gue kayak mesmerized banget sama grafiknya. Interact. Kita tutup. Oh, that flowers bloom. I wonder what would happen if I made all those flower bloom. Ngantuk dia, so sleepy, staying awake to see the comet last night really took it out of me. I've been staying awake by just staying busy, but now all I want is to sleep. Jangan sleep forever juga dong bang. but I cannot fall asleep just yet. Not without shutting off that loud ringing sound. Not without turning off those damn bright lights. And of course not without listening to my favorite keroncong music to distress. All I want is to be asleep. Yeah. Ini gue matiin deh, gue baik sama lu. Kita matiin juga ini. Matiin. Oh nggak bisa. Nggak bisa dong. Cassette player. The cassette slot is empty. What kind of music should I play? Keroncong yang tadi mixtape ya. Mixtape si Kuli. Mantap. Ini apa nih? Kita buka ya lemari ini cuy. Kita bisa kesini gak? Nggak bisa. Ini apaan? Baton. Oh oke. Untuk hancurin ini. Kita bisa ngancur. Kita bisa dipukul gak orangnya? Ya gak bisa. Coba bisa, mantep tuh. Oke kita hancurin nih. Bread. Nah mantap lah. Ih keren Yon. This feels good. Udah bang tidur bang. Tidur bang. Nah mantap bang. Kece. Jadi ada aspek puzzle-nya juga cuy di game ini. Keren juga ya. Thanks to this magic book I guess. He won't mind if I borrow the letter then. Will he? Time to pick up the magic one. Oke. Dipinjem dulu ya bang. Yuk kita kesini yang tadi. Kita pakai tangganya ya kan. Terus kita ke atas. Gue suka banget sama audionya, kayak waktu kita jalan tuh kedengeran banget gitu loh kalau kita jalan. Dan I like that. Ini apa nih? The Star Princess Magic Wand. I still cannot believe she managed to come up with all these wonderful things. Nirmala, what a precious talented kid. I got the magic wand. Sokap tuh bapaknya nih. Bokapnya. Brad katanya. Open the door katanya. You're ungrateful waste of space. Gila jahat banget anjir. How dare you lock this door? You're skipping school again aren't you? Open the freaking door katanya. Idih gile. Galak banget bokapnya. Have you got any idea how much money I have to borrow just to get you into a decent school? And this is how you repay me, you a spoiled little brat? Buset. Oh jadi gue ngerti deh. Jadi yang tadi ada di pikiran si Nirmala itu kayak anxiety dia, insecurities dia, makanya dia kayak takut gitu untuk ngeluarin, kayak ngasih tahu apa sih epilog dari ceritanya dia. Dan kayak emaknya tadi bilang ya, katanya dia nggak mau dia takut ke sekolah, mungkin dibully kali ya, dibully gara-gara dia tuh berkarya, dibully gara-gara tuh dia bikin cerita-cerita fiksi gitu. Dan ini sekarang bokapnya rada kacau juga nih anjir, galak banget cuy. Ini untung dikunci, kalau misalnya nggak dikunci di gimana coba? Gitu kan, mungkin gara-gara itu makanya kayak kata si Nirmala, dia tuh lagi ada something dark gitu di pikirannya, mungkin gara-gara itu anxiety sama insecurities dia, makanya dia nggak mau untuk ngomongin epilognya ke kita karena mungkin dia malu gitu loh. Mungkin gara-gara itu juga gitu loh. Oh jadi ini keren banget karena bakal ngomongin tentang mental health juga nih. Jarang banget orang-orang Indonesia ngomongin mental health kan. Kayak berkarya biasanya kalau orang Indonesia nggak terlalu ngomongin mental health. Masih tabu gitu, tapi ini berani. Keren juga ya. Suka nih gue. I better get out of here before her father smashes this door open. Ih gila mah. Galak banget bokapnya. Nothing happens. Okay. Kita keluar. Hujan cuy. Hujan dong. Oke. Ini. Oh enggak. Oh jadi nggak usah dibalikin ternyata. Ya udah deh, nggak apa-apa. Terus apa waktu bangun-bangun panik dia. Tangga gue kemana gitu katanya. Di base camp lagi nih. Ada sini Nirmala gak di sini? Help katanya. Ah kan bener kan, pasti tenggelam dia. Aduh Nirmala. Help somebody gitu ya. Iya bener sih, Nirmala tenggelam deh kayaknya. Kesini kan ya? Iya bener. Help me, I cannot swim. Tuh kan bener kan si Nirmala. Bandel sini orang. Oh, jembatannya kayak roboh gitu cuy. I cannot swim either. Kita pakai magic wand ya. Bisa gak? Ih gagal. Aduh. Jembatannya roboh lagi, kita kena. Ih gila, malah kita dong yang tenggelam. I'm coming to get you. Make it together. Ih buset. Jadi kita yang tenggelam cuy. Nah ini nih, A Space for the Unbound ini masih prolog ya. Jadi makanya rada singkat ya, bisa dibilang masih rada singkat nih gara-gara ini masih prolog. Nanti selanjutnya yang full game kita masih belum tahu kapan keluarnya. Tapi kalau misalnya Ultima Friends ini kan pasti banyak banget pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang masih belum bisa terjawab ya. Tapi kalau misalnya Ultima Friends pengen nanya nih, misalnya kayak pengen tahu insight-insight dari developernya sendiri, kita ada nge-interview Glory of Gamers, ada nge-interview CEO dari Mojiken Studio, dan di game A Space for the Unbound itu kita nge-interview dia sebagai produser dari game ini nih. Makanya itu kalau misalnya Ultima Friends penasaran nih, ada pengen denger insight-insight dari developernya langsung, bisa langsung aja ke Spotify kita, karena kita bakal upload podcastnya. Dan itu dari dan podcast tersebut itu dari kita bakal nge-interview si ini nih, si Kak Eka waktu itu kan. Kak Eka yaitu produser dari game A Space for the Unbound dan developer dan bagian dari tim developer game ini, dan CEO dari Mojiken Studio sendiri gitu. Oh jadi ini cewek yang tadi loh, ini cewek yang tadi. Cewek yang tadi muncul terus. Oh jadi cowok yang tadi namanya Atma ya? Atma katanya. Atma, hey, wake up you lazy bum. Oh dari tadi tuh cuma mimpi. Tuh ini cewek yang dari tadi muncul terus weh. Kayak in the background gitu. Jadi nggak bener-bener muncul, kelihatan banget. Raya. Oh namanya Raya dia. What the hell was I just dreaming about? To be continued. Nah Ultima Friends kalau misalnya penasaran sama game ini nih, langsung aja ke Steam ya. Karena ini gamenya gratis, prolog. Ini masih prolog ya, jadi prolognya itu gratis. Dan ada juga demonya. Dan kalau misalnya Ultima Friends penasaran dan pengen dan pengen nge-mainin sendiri, langsung aja ke Steam karena ini gratis nih. Dan paling mainnya cuma 30 menitan. Jadi kalau misalnya Ultima Friends gak punya banyak waktu juga tetap bisa mainin gitu loh. Dan ini trailernya sih kayaknya ya. Dan Ultima Friends, that's it for A Space for the Unbound. Kalau misalnya Ultima Friends pengen tahu insight-insight dari developernya sendiri, nah bisa langsung dengerin podcastnya kita di Spotify tentunya. Terus kalau misalnya pengen ngedengerin on air kita nih, Glory of Gamers bakal on air di Jumat jam 12 sampai jam berapa lupa deh. Pokoknya mulai jam 12 ya, 12 siang aja pokoknya ya on air ya. Jadi Ultima Friends kalau misalnya pengen dengerin, langsung aja lah ke radio.umn.ac.id atau ke Spotify kalau misalnya pengen dengerin podcastnya. And see you on the next level.